Start with the slip knot. And chain 100. One double crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, this one. And one double crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, do not chain, directly turn your work. Next on, one slip stitch in each and every stitch. This is the first stitch, and keep your stitches loose. Now to make the turning chain, chain 2, insert your hook into the first chain stitch and pull up a loop and turn your work. Now the next one will be working only in the slip stitches, so insert your hook into the first slip stitch, insert your hook into both the loops and pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. That's the turning chain made and one double crochet made. Next on, one double crochet is already made, one double crochet into each of the slip stitches. Be careful to insert your hook into both the loops. Next stitch. This is how it will look. Once you reach then, do not chain, directly turn your work. Next on, one slip stitch in each and every stitch. Be careful to keep your stitches loose. Now make the turning chain, chain 2, insert your hook into the first chain stitch and pull up a loop, turn your work, insert your hook into the first stitch, the first slip stitch and pull up a loop, pull through 2 and finally the last 2. That's the turning chain made and one double crochet made. Now just keep repeating this last 2 rounds until you reach the size which you need. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.